Hello and welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content that you enjoy, please smash that subscribe button down below. So, as you can see with the thumbnail, today we're going to be testing out Autobrite's new Evasion snow foam. But before we get on to that snow foam, I'm just going to quickly clean the wheels, quickly apply some citrus pre-wash, then we're going to cover it with a nice thick blanket of the Autobrite snow foam. So here's just a few befores of the car. And what do you think of this bonnet? Remember I said in the last video Torval and Dean had been ice skating on it? That's going to be a lot of wet sanding and polishing back up to make that any good, I can tell you. But there will be a full video on how I get on with that. So as we always do, we start off with the wheels. Just applying some AUTOSmart G101 to the tyres and arches. Now we come on to Shiny Garage Monster Wheel Cleaner. This stuff is absolutely fantastic. My only downside is you will absolutely rip through this bottle if you're going to use this every week. I don't advise using Fallout every week. So here I'm starting with the arches, just using this EZ wheel cleaning barrel brush. Fantastic brush, this really good for getting in the arches and those thick barrels. Followed up by the Itsallinthedetailing tyre brush. Then I'll be using the Autobrite thin detailing brush just to get into the wheel looks and anything that I can't get into. Also, there is a Vikan soft bristle wheel brush that is thrown in as well. So when I first applied the G101 to the tyres, give them a little scrub with the Itsallinthedetailing tyre brush, some of you would have seen that the foam on the actual tyre was brown, so it means it's not clean. So this is why I'm hitting it again with a second dose. As you can see, the foam is now white, so we've got a clean tyre to apply any tyre gel. So here's just a little clip I had on my phone, just showing you the power of this monster wheel cleaner. There was no agitation on this wheel, this was just sprayed, left and jet washed off with the Karcher K2. And as you can see, that wheel's as good as new. So just before we apply the new Autobrite snow foam, I'm just going around the bottom half of the car spraying some Autobrite citrus pre-wash at a mixture of 30 to 1. It's not very strong, but there wasn't much dirt on this car, so it didn't really need a powerful dose. So here we have it, the new Evasion snow foam from Autobrite Direct. The colour is really wild, it doesn't really pick up on camera, and the smell is absolutely beautiful. It really is a nice smell. I'm hoping they will do this in one of their blast cans. Really, really nice smell this. Also, it goes on very, very nice thick foam. This hangs around, clings to the car, and like any other Autobrite snow foam, great cleaning power. Highly recommend. There you can see that the colour is very, very bright, and it's made even more brighter that I'm doing it on a white car. I know people tend to stay away from these funny colour snow foams. I've been using them for years and years now, and I've never had any tainting or stain into any of the vehicles that I've ever cleaned. And as you can see, it wasn't exactly a cool day. The sun was out, but it's just a case of don't let it dwell too long, and don't use it in serious heat. You don't want it drying out on the car. So there's just a few tips there, just in case. And like I said in many of my videos, it doesn't matter if you go up, down, left, right, A, start, or whichever way you want to do. It's about rinsing the product off the car safely. So don't let people tell you you're doing it wrong. And another thing I liked about this snow foam, that it didn't mark or stain any of my drive or the pavement. It does stain your hands if you get it on your hands, but with a bit of a washing it will come off. So what do we think about this snow foam? Yeah, it's quirky with the colour, really nice smell, but in fairness, it's just another snow foam from Autobrite Direct. And their Magifoam snow foam is really, really out there with the best. Autobrite Direct do some absolutely fantastic products, and this is just another one of them, just with a quirky twist and scent. And I'm all for this quirky. It makes detailing a little bit more fun. You know, it gets you, if you're on the side of a road and you see somebody using a bright green or bright purple or pink, yellow, blue snow foam, you're going to get attention. People are going to ask about, oh, what are you doing there? Oh, it's going to drum in a bit more business if you do it as a job, a side job. So the end results, this car is a million miles away from being any sort of a show car. This is a little bit of a project that I've got going on the channel. But the snow foam citrus pre-wash and the monster wheel cleaner did their job. The wheels look great, bodywork looks nice and shiny, so you can't be too upset with the end results. Guys, just like to say a massive thanks for watching. Hi to all the new subscribers. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Ta-ra.